Oh yeah, Bass Pro Shops, Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. Let's go see what we can get into now. What's up, guys? Thank you for tuning in this week. Unfortunately, I don't have a lot to share. The old Dodge pickup truck is waiting on a part, the CPU. His truck's kind of skipping and sputtering a little bit, which means I don't need to be driving it, which means I won't be pulling the Ranger bass boat down to the inlet. At least not today. I'm waiting on a phone call. Hope it's going to get fixed. But I am going to take a run to Bass Pro Shops and look at some stuff in the boating section and some other stuff that I'm looking at. And so maybe we'll get some videos on that adventure. And appreciate you guys hanging out with me. And please like, subscribe, comment, share. All that stuff helps. Appreciate you being along on the adventure. So we're going to take the old minivan here down to Bass Pro Shops and hang out for a little while. Super nice. Well, as you can tell, it is Memorial Day weekend and they've got all the flags out. That's so nice of them to do that. All right, guys. Well, thanks for coming on our adventure to Bass Pro Shops in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. I actually got to talk to some of the guys working inside. They are super nice, super cool. We talked about spearfishing and fishing and just being on the water and enjoying the outdoors. And they have everything set up for Memorial Day. And so from me to you veterans out there who have served in the military, thank you, thank you, thank you so much. I did serve a short time in the South Carolina National Guard, and I have always appreciated our men and women in the military, full-time, part-time. I've had tons of family in the military, granddads and uncles, and my own dad was a Marine. So thank you guys. Happy Memorial Day. Enjoy it. But remember, our freedoms have been bought and paid for by men and women who've given their lives. So we remember them. So anyway, thank you guys for joining me here at Freedom Wanderer. I'm Chuck McDonald. I hope you guys have a great Memorial Day weekend, and I hope you're blessed. Please like, subscribe, comment, share if you don't mind, and we'll see you next time.